Eliminate freight waste with AI packing. Start by instantly importing sales orders directly from your ERP. Filter, select, and prep your priority shipments in seconds. With one click, AI finds the most efficient packing strategy to minimize cost and maximize space. Explore a full 3D blueprint of your shipment. It's a high-speed spatial intelligence that shows your team exactly how to place each item. Save your plan and start packing. Agility Intelligence. Precision in packing, simplified.